How to get your ex back when they don't have feeling for you. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment. I am your relationship expert, and in this video I will tell you exactly what you need to do when your ex told you that he or she doesn't have any feelings for you. I know it's a difficult situation and that you are hopeless, but we will change it together. Before to share with you my tips that will just blow your mind, I want to make sure that you will smash the like button. I need you for the YouTube algorithm. And of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yes, you can receive our videos directly in your inbox. Videos from Coach Adrian, Coach Natalie, Coach Abby, and myself. We basically dedicated our life to tell you exactly how can you get your ex back when they lost feeling for you, when they say that they don't have any feeling. This is a difficult situation because you're scared, and I understand completely. When we are scared to lose that person forever, when we are scared to not do the right action at the right time, basically, we don't know how to react. And that's where we are doing mistake. We are talking about love, we are begging our ex, we are always chasing him, chasing her, and in this case, you're doing a big mistake. Because if someone lost his or her feeling, at this moment, it's a lack of butterflies in our stomach, right? It's not like I lose my feeling. It's more like I don't feel attracted by you. I don't feel the spark again. I don't feel the connection. So if you talk about something rational like feelings, it will not work. Because as human, and this is something that you need to jot on a paper, as human, we are emotional. We are emotional. We are always looking for the shining object. We are always looking for something different. And that's why I'm doing this video today, because I know that I can help you get back with the one you love. Even when your ex told you, I lost my feelings, it doesn't mean anything. And we can recreate the attraction together. Tips number 1, never listen to your ex, okay? Tips number 2, human are emotional. And if we are emotional, we want to enjoy the moment. We want to make sure that we can live and enjoy and be happy and feel alive. So the best way to get your ex back when they lost their feelings is to make sure that they will feel alive with you. And we can just talk to your ex, making sure that you talk about what you're doing new in your life, making your ex smile. This should be your goal number 1. Okay? There is some tips and there is the goal. The goal is make your ex smile, because then the connection will come and the attraction. It's very easy to reattract your ex when you are smiling together, spending good time. It's not easy to reattract your ex when you're talking about, I love you, I need you, please, can you tell me, I need you, please don't do it. This is too annoying. This is not being in the good emotions, okay? Tips number 3. If you want to get your ex back when they say that they lost their feelings, you need to make sure that you will socialize. There is 2 things that will make your ex change or realize that you're able to be a challenge or that you're a good catch. Tips number 1, or at least situation number 1, will be your social value. The more people you meet, the more your ex will be scared to lose you. Simple. If you see your ex going out, you will be scared. Same thing for your ex. Situation number 2, it will be your professional life. If you have a good personal and professional life, your ex will be scared. Because the more you meet people, the more you go out, the more you have success, the more they can lose you. And that's where we want to focus. I want to make sure that we will reverse the situation. You are not losing your ex. They are losing you. Because you are today the best version of yourself. You have your social value, you have your professional value, and these are direct button in your ex mind about realizing that they are doing a mistake. Social and work value, please jot this on a paper. It's just so important, right? So today, when someone says, I lost my feelings, it means I don't feel the attraction. I don't feel the challenge again. And this is for every human being. Every human being. It just sounds crazy, but it's true. So I want you today to tell yourself, okay, I need to change the way I dress. I need to change the way I stand. I need to change the way I speak to improve it, right? We need to use your tone of voice. You need to get emotion, storytelling. This is, oh my God, I did this activity. It was amazing. We need to show to your ex that you're enjoying life. That's how you can get back with someone, even when they say, I lost my feelings. I don't feel the spark again. We can change it together. But you have to implement the work. And something that you have to do is to accept learning about attraction. Because it's not a matter of feelings. It's not a matter of love. It's a matter of attraction. And you know what? I have attached in the description box right below a special video from Coach Natalie. She made an amazing video to talk about attraction. And I want you to be able to watch this video. Remember, you need to smash the like button and you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yes, subscribe to receive all of our videos directly in your inbox. From Coach Natalie, Coach Abby, Coach Adrian, and myself, we are here for you. If you want to go further, just come on our website, withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles and you can book a private coaching session with the team, with myself. We are here for you. In just one session, even just 30-minute session, we are able to tell you exactly what to do. This is just an amazing tool to help you getting back with the one you love. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.